Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the C#.NET programming. Okay, this is the tutorial number 8 about the int32 Tryparse property. It's a data type and it's very amazing. Like if you need to, if you enter a simple conversion, okay, and in the output you don't know about the which data type is this, and you try to enter any string character or any string message. That time you see the error. Okay, but if you are doing this condition, or we can say this property, that time if you are trying to enter string or any character in the integer box, or we can say integer data type, that time you're not able to show the error, and that time if you enter the string value and the output result is 0, okay, you able to enter only integer. Now let's start. First, what you do, enter here text, drag here. Let's take the example of adding two variables, okay, and this is your output, and right now enter a button for show the result. Yes, select all, go to font, increase the size, enter 20. Yes, now what you do, click to this one, and you see this is the text box 1, this text box 2, this text box 3. Okay, please remember. Now let's take the label, drag here, same copy this one, sorry, label. Yes, now click this one and change the size. I'm at here 14. Okay, and go to down label and enter value 1. Now again value 2. Click to this one and enter the result. And let's change the font, increase, enter 14, enter 14. And yes, now click to this one and let's change and here text one, show result. Click to this one, the properties button 1, okay, and let's change the font, and the font is right now 20. I'm at here 16. Yes, let's modify. Show result, result. Yes, now double click to show result. Okay, now let's start a programming. Right now what to do, let's enter int32 variables. Create a variable, int32 is your variable, okay, int32 b, okay, and right now I'm entering int32 c. Okay, these three are your variable. In the c I'm here result, okay, and a I am enter value 1, value 1, b I am enter value 2, value 1, okay, equal to conversion, like I am to convert to int32, and I am enter here text box 1. Okay, in the text box 1 you need to enter value 1, this one. Okay, this is the string format, that's why I need to convert into integer. Okay, this is an integer, okay, like this. Now again enter value 2 equal to convert to integer to int32. I'm enter text 2 we can say value 2. Okay, like this. Now we need to store the value. Right now I am entering value 1, sorry, result, and a result equal to value 1 plus value 2. Okay, and right now we need to store a value in the result, like in this one. And you see the property is text box 3, sorry, the tag name is text box 3. Okay, right now what you do, I'm enter text box 3 dot text. Okay, this is string format, and remember this one is integer. Okay, right now you need to convert this integer into string, and what you do, let's enter convert to string, and you need to enter result. Okay, right now done, and let's show the error. Okay, now click to start, and you see, and you need to enter, if you enter integer value, that time it's working well. Okay, now click to show result. Okay, unable to cast object type system not okay. Now what we do, and it shows some error. Yes, stop this, and dot text, like this, same this one, dot text. Yes, now again click to start. Okay, when you enter a integer value, that time it's working well. Now you see the result is 30, but when if you enter any string value, like if you don't know which data type is this one, like you enter this one, and right now you show the error, and you see there is input string was not is correct format. If you solve this error, okay, now what we do, okay, now I remove this one, and let's amend here int32 dot try. Okay, now you need to enter like text box 1. Okay, this is value 1 dot text. Okay, comma, and you need to enter out parameter, and right now which variable you need to store the value of text box 1. Right now we need to store in the value 1, that's why you need to enter value 1. Okay, now you see the text box 1 dot text value store in value 1. Okay, this is integer data type. Now again I'm entering int32 dot try, and I'm entering text box 2 dot text, sorry, comma out. This is the parameter, you need to enter variable variable 2. Okay, and the text box 2 value stored in variable 2. Done. And right now we need to see the result, and what we do, same process. Right now I'm at here result, result equal to you need to enter value 1 plus value 2, like, and right now we show the output. Now we need to enter text box 3 dot text, sorry, dot text equal to convert to string, and you need to enter result, because result is your integer, that's why we need to convert into string. That's why we need to convert into string, because text box 3 dot text is your string format, string data type. Okay, now let's click to start, and you see like right now I am at here 10, again I am at here 10, and you see the result is 20. Well done. If I enter any string value, right now I enter this one, and I click to show result, and you see 10, and this string value is converted into automatic into 0. Like if you enter p, that's I'm also 0, like I'm changed 22, and you see the 22, this one is 0. 22 plus 0 is equal to 22. Okay, right now what you do, let's change this one also, right, I'm enter a. Okay, and click to show result, and you see result is 0. Now you not show the error. Okay, conversion error. Okay, it's amazing. Okay guys, this task is done, and thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.